A self-optimizing manufacturing system. In manufacturing processes such as laser cutting or CNC machining, product quality depends on the precision with which the machine executes its motion profile on the material. Yet real systems face unavoidable challenges such as nonlinear friction, backlash, flexibility, and other unwanted dynamics that compromise performance. Flanders Make has addressed these issues by developing an augmented digital twin that combines physics-based simulation, machine vision, and AI. Starting from a co-simulation of the machine's CAD model, we integrate models of its dynamic behavior. By visualizing everything in a game engine, we create an intuitive, real-time view of the process. Machine vision evaluates the product using quality descriptors that measure how accurately the process is performed. AI then links motion data to product quality to enable prediction and correction. Welcome to a self-optimizing manufacturing system that continuously learns, adapts, and ensures consistent process quality.